quote to you one paragraph from an article Ruchir wrote, and then what we'll do is use this opportunity to get Ruchir to forecast out from here, because so much has changed between January and March. So let's see what he can come up with. But let me read what he's written. If the past is prelude, Trump 2.0 will not play out as most investors expect. Ironically, continuing faith in American exceptionalism assumes that under Trump the world will see more of the same trends it saw under Joe Biden. Dominance of the global economy and markets led by its big cap tech businesses. But those trends are already very extended and vulnerable to forces larger than the US president-elect. For a variety of reasons, comparative churn could return to global markets in 2025 and lead to seismic shifts. It's almost as if, to the dot, you're calling the future.
Well, I don't know about that, in terms of that these things happen. So I think the key thing, as you said, is that this has happened. Now what? And my suspicion here is that these are very long-term trends, which is that the U.S. market and the U.S. economy, after the global financial crisis of 2008-2009, had been on a tear, had dominated the world. The U.S. stock market had come to be nearly 70% of the global stock market capitalization. 80% of all the incremental flows were just going into one market. And this process has only just started to reverse. The dollar was about the most overvalued that it had been in its floating rate history, which dates back to the early 1970s. So, when something is so overvalued, it is telling you that it is set up for disappointment. And I think that's what's happening under Trump.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.